Hi friends, I'm so glad to see you again. This is the tutorial series of the Love Theme Scrapbook album. In our previous video, we created 5 base pages for our album. So considering that we have to work on the front and the back of each page, we'll be working on 10 pages in all. If you haven't seen the video on creating the base pages, I recommend that you watch the video first. The link is provided in the I button above. So now let's get started with our first page. Here's how it looks like. It has these interlapping flaps that hold 8 photos. For the first page, we'll be creating one trifold flap. For this, take a cardstock in the size 13.5 by 6.5 inches. Score at 4.5 and 9 inches. Fold on the scored lines. Next, take 2 pieces of cardstock in the size 5 by 6.5 inches. Along the 5 inside, score at half an inch and then fold on the scored line. Stick double-sided red tape on the scored lines. Cut the scored margins at an angle on both the sides. Now stick these single flaps on either sides of the trifold flap. And here our interlapping flaps are ready. Now let's stick the pattern papers on the base page. Next, stick this interlapping flap on the base page. For a magnetic closure, stick a magnet on the topmost flap and then place the pairing magnet on the other side of the flap. Apply very little glue on the pairing magnet and close the flap to leave a glue stain on the flap below. Now stick the red tape exactly over the glue stain and then stick the pairing magnet over it. Embellish the topmost flap with a gold mirror cardstock and a pattern paper of your choice. On the remaining flaps, I stuck the gold cardstock first and then the photos. You can skip sticking the gold cardstock and instead stick the photos directly. That will reduce the bulkiness of the page. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for the remaining videos of this series. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.